We'll walk through how to use Success Codex. Start by opening your dashboard. Click Embed Code, then click Create New. Enter the embed code name, select Success Codex, and click Create. Your embed code will appear. Copy it and paste it into your website. Once you save it on your site, the Success Codex form will display. Your website visitors can fill out the form and instantly see their Success Codex. They can also click the download button to get the Success Codex reading report as a PDF. You can also generate charts directly inside the software using the Generate Chart tool. Just create a new person by entering their name, choose whether they belong to a family or business folder, and click New. From there, you can switch between astrology, human design, and Success Codex charts for that person. You can also download your customer's Success Codex chart by clicking Reports. If you need more support, go to bodygraph.com, open the Resources section, and click Webinars. You'll find Success Codex recordings taught by Ankara. We also have additional courses inside the Business Mastery Hub, where you can dive deeper into the tools and training available. Ready to grow your business? Start your free 21-day trial and see how quickly you can begin generating new leads with Bodygraph.com.